in this video, I'm going to go over the pronunciation of the vowels and some of the consonants from the International Phonetic Alphabet. I will start the vowels. The vowels are divided into monotones and diptones. Let's start. These are the monotones. The first is E, E, sheep, E, E, it, but, food, food, bed, bed, hair, hair. This is a relaxed, lazy, schwa sound. Teacher, teacher. Oh, or, a, cup, cup, a, cup, oh, God, a, car. Let's move on to the tones. These are the combination of two words. A, accent, they. Oi, accent, boy. I, accent, light. Air, accent, hair. Ear, accent, here. Accent, toned. O, accent, show. Out, accent, mouth. The next are the consonants. Some are unvoiced and others are voiced. Let's start with unvoiced. The first thin, thin, thin. The second sh, she, cheap, cheap. We continue voiced. The first is vant, vant. This, this. Vision, jam. Young, hope. Ram. To finish, I asked ChatGPT to make me a tone tweet with the practice consonants. Okay, Start. The team TF and the very shining chef changed rings happily. Once again. Once again. The team TF and the very shining chef changed rings happily. One more. One more very fast. Okay. The team TF and the very shine chef changed rings happily. The team TF and the very shine chef changed rings happily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.